just going to start off by saying I am way too cheap to spend $700 on a splitter and diffuser. So, no bumper and material. We're going to make our own. Hang out and watch this. Alright, so I actually just went ahead and got the splitter design all traced out. It's 4 inches. How do I want to say this? It's going to stick out 4 inches from the bumper itself, and then it's just going to follow inside the bumper. I don't want anything that sticks way out back because the headers are right there, so I don't want this to melt. The splitter and the diffuser is going to be made from 1/4 inch thick HDPE panel, which is like a fancy name for ABS plastic, but this is a little more flexible than ABS. Has a little more give to it. It's not nearly as brittle, so I think this will be a good option to use for a splitter and diffuser. You know, because I don't want it to break immediately, so I think this will hold up pretty well. But all I did was take a white colored pencil and found, I don't know what I did with it, but I had a little block that was 4 inches long, and I taped the pencil to it, and I just kind of pushed it around and followed the contour of the bumper, so I got an even 4 inches all the way around. I did kind of have to touch up over here a little bit, but like I said, I really don't want to spend that kind of money on something I can make myself. Now this is a 4x8 sheet of, like I said, the HDPE panel, and it was 50 bucks. Now 50 bucks is a hell of a lot cheaper than 700. So I'm gonna tackle it and try and make my own and hope that it turns out really good. Okay, so roughly cut out. There's some spots I gotta sand, but that's to be expected because I don't have a jigsaw, so I did it with a cutoff wheel and hope for the best. But overall shape, I'm not sure if I like the sides 4 inches out from the bumper as well as the front, so I may trim these down to like 2 and just kind of gradually contour it out to the 4. Kind of go like 2 inches out and then up here to 3 inches out and then to the 4 and just kind of connect it. I'm not sure. I got all the, well, it's probably super hard to see, but I have all the holes marked for the bumper so that way I can drill and put hardware in. But as you can see, nothing, you know, way back here, because pretty much like right here is the headers, and I don't know how heat resistant this stuff is, so I'd rather it not burst into flames. But overall, so far, I really like it. I'm really happy with it. Just really hope it looks good on that, which I'm sure it will, especially once I get coilovers. But yeah, like I said, I was not about to spend $700 on a diffuser and a splitter, so fuck it, I'll make my own. And I'd say it looks pretty cool. I have some 60 grit sandpaper to go around it and kind of like finish form it, and then it should be good. So I'll spare you guys the boring part of watching me sand and check back in after I sand it. Okay, now that it's all sanded and all the edges are smoothed out, we can take the drill, start poking all these little holes, because that's the little pattern from the back of the bumper. Probably horrible to try and see this. Like, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how I'm going to attach it. And then I have some adjustable splitter rods, and then we'll obviously put those from the splitter to the bumper. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put those yet, like as far as on the bumper goes, but we'll figure something out. So now time to drill some holes. And voila, all done. Got the splitter rods mounted. Oh my god, I'm so happy about it. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the car. Oh my god, so awesome. And that about does it. That is a $50 splitter. You can get the rods off eBay. I got them from a buddy of mine. He gave them to me because he wasn't going to use them. I still got to bolt the sides of the bumper back on, but with my tripod, give you guys a good idea of it. I'm super happy with it, man. It turned out really good. It actually took longer than I thought to make it, but it was definitely worth it because I'm absolutely happy with it. I still think that I am going to shave the sides down a little bit, but that'll be another day. I'll rock it like this for a little while, and who knows, maybe it'll grow on me. But that is going to be it for this video. Like I said, it did take longer than I thought it would. So I'm going to bolt the sides of the bumper back on real quick. Call it a night. Next video that you guys see, it will be building the diffuser for the Subaru. Same material as the splitter. I'll probably work on that tomorrow. Obviously I'll film it and put it out. It'll probably be out maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3 days after you guys see this video. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. The splitter's freaking rad. I can't quit looking at it, but the diffuser is going to be even cooler. At least I think it will. If it all goes to plan how I think it will, it'll be pretty rad. So as always, man, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave me a like down below. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Later.